Tip 1. The second I am finished with my shower, I flip my hair over. I scrunch out the excess moisture so my hair is not soaking. And then I lightly go in with my fingertips and start lifting my hair away from my root. Be very gentle, otherwise it can cause frizz. Volume tip 2, use a microfiber towel, paper towels, a different towel, a t-shirt, or even just your hands, and scrunch the excess moisture out of the roots of your hair. This will get the weight off. Volume tip 3, be lightweight in your application of any product. You're welcome. Volume tip 4, after you have applied your styling products, using your favorite styling routine, go back in with whatever gel, curl definer, whatever it is, your last step, put it on your fingertips and direct your roots. I'll show you. So I've got some custard on my fingertips. Volume tip 5, root clips. Whether you are air drying or diffusing, this will get your hair lifted up off of your scalp. I like to leave mine in only until I start diffusing. Tip 6, diffuse. Don't need anything fancy. Use cool air only and high speed. This will definitely help you get the most out of your volume. Volume tip 7. After fully diffusing, reapply root clips and allow your hair to set. Volume tip 8, fluff. You can use your fingertips, you can use a comb, you can use a pick, I don't have one, you can use your scalp massager, whatever your preference, or use a combo. I like to start with my fingertips. Volume tip 9, separate curl clumps. Volume tip 10 is for those of us that like so much volume that we will risk frizz. Do not be afraid to take your comb and wrap those roots. A little bit of hairspray helps too. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. Voila.